Want to know how to use Kimi 2.5 on your desktop browser? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up kimi.com on your web browser. So what you need to do is you can just simply type in Kimi AI or just simply towards kimi.com. So it should directly redirect you to kimi.com's website. So this is how you can easily use it as a browser. So make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in specifically through the browser. So let's get right into it. So in order to use it, here you should be seeing various chat interfaces that you can choose from. That is docs, website, to build website slides, to create slides and sheets, and deep research as well. We also see your chat history on the leftmost side, and in order to create a chat or create a new chat, just select new chat right here, and you can just sync the type in anything that you want. You can also change your agent by selecting this drop down box and change it accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.